The Loch Ness Monster, often called Nessie, is one of the most enduring cryptid legends in the world and is said to inhabit the dark, cold waters of Loch Ness in the Scottish Highlands. Reports of a strange creature in the area date back over 1,500 years, with the earliest written account from 565 AD describing a violent water beast encountered near the River Ness. Sightings dramatically increased in 1933 after a road was constructed along the shoreline, giving the public a clear view of the lake, and witnesses began describing a massive animal with a long neck, multiple humps, and smooth, unnatural movement beneath the surface. In 1934, the infamous surgeon's photograph appeared to capture the creature on film, but it was later revealed to be a hoax, casting doubt over many sightings. Despite this, Loch Ness has since been investigated using sonar scans, underwater cameras, submersibles, and even modern DNA sampling in 2019, which found no evidence of an unknown reptile but did detect large amounts of eel DNA. Even so, sightings continue to be reported, and no explanation has been able to account for every encounter, leaving the question open as to whether Nessie is a case of misidentification, an undiscovered species, or something we still don't understand.